Good day class. In this video, I will teach you to install Sympy in our Ubuntu operating system. So let's go to our terminal. Let's update first our system. Okay, next let's install Sympy. Okay, we will use Sympy to solve symbolic math in our new topic, which is Jacobian Matrix. Then after that, we will upgrade the Sympy in our Ubuntu operating system. So next is let's type the code pip3 install dash dash upgrade Sympy. Okay. So we need to upgrade our Sympy so that it will match with our robotic toolbox. Okay. So if we did not upgrade it, it will not run properly uh, in our operating system. Okay, so user installation requirement all satisfied and new list of pips available. So this is just an update or upgrade of pip. So let's upgrade pip. So you don't need to do this, the upgrade of pip if the terminal doesn't show the upgrade of pip. Okay. So now our Ubuntu OS is ready to run Sympy in our Python. Okay.